So today I'm going to go over a few Adobe Premiere Pro basics, and I mean like really basic stuff. So I already started this project here, Georgia O'Keeffe LP lesson plan, and as you can see there's nothing here yet. So we're going to want to import some media. So what you're going to want to do first is of course go out, get your footage with your phone or whatever you're recording with, and then after that I usually just upload it to Google Drive, or you can use like a flash drive or whatever, however you get your footage onto your computer. After that, I download that footage that I want to use onto the computer. So this one, I renamed it to Georgia O'Keeffe LP. And then I right click, download, and then you would see it down here downloading, but I've already done that. So now once it's downloaded, go back to your Adobe Premiere Pro, right click this bottom part here where it says import media to start. Right click, import. I'm going to want to search up that footage I want to put in, Georgia O'Keeffe LP. Open. Alright, so now it's here, and I'm going to drag it into the timeline. Alright, after you drag it in, now it's there. You can push spacebar to push play. Yep. Or you can, push this. That also does the same thing, but spacebar, a little bit easier. This here, you can enlarge this so you can get closer into your footage there, your video clip. And then, let's add in something. New item. Let's add in a black video. So that's fine. Drag in your video. That's a little bit too long of a video. So that trims it like that, or to trim videos, you could just push that little razor tool, push on it, click there, backspace. Easy. Then you go right there. And then you can also add in transitions. See how that just kind of, bam, turns on. You can right click this here, apply default transitions. And as you got the crossfade, and then the crosses into the audio as well. So you saw it was like more subtle. And then you can do it at the end too. See? Fades out. And then you can left click, Alt, duplicate any video. Default transitions. So now you'll fade into black. See? And then I could do this, right click, Alt, same exact video again. Apply those default transitions. And there is some really basic stuff right there for Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, thank you. Alright, so I'll just show 2 more quick things about layering videos and the audio. So on layering videos, you can do this. And to do that, you go to Effect Controls. The bottom video, you see here, is on normal. The top video has an effect here, hard light. And then you could change that around, make it look different. See? I had hard light. And then for audio, you go to Audio Clip Mixer. You can turn this down. You can make it louder. But for mine, it was fine.